Hey, hello everyone. AI is changing the entire A, right? It's not only changing the way we work; it's changing the way we are going to be do our imagination. So, and especially when AI comes in the film industry, it's turning our imagination into the real time mind blowing videos. And it's not a science fiction anymore. It's more kind of a reality where A understand your imagination and with filmmaking capabilities. And it's not only understanding the kind of like camera movements, and it's know how the emotions gonna feel it, and what are the kind of like situation, and how it has to be generate more cinematic videos. And let's go and try with Sora. So I really love it. The moment I saw those kind of images, and the kind of authenticity in these images and those videos, it really excites me. And it's not new, because I've seen most of the stunning text to a kind of a videos, but the kind of like the prompt which you're gonna give it, and its understanding, and try to generate those images is pretty awesome. So what I'm trying to do today, I saw with the South Indian actors Trisha and Samantha. So this pic, right? It looks more authentic. Posing a camera and with the black sarees. So it has a given a detail one. All I'm trying to do it right. I try to edit this prompt, and I kept like place of Trisha but Katrina, and try to run this. And what excites me here, so when I go back to my media, and I see here, it's generate authentic image of Katrina and Samantha. What fascinating me here, it's understand their latest images. So it hasn't picked up any kind of like their old images, what their current, how they looks, and how they're gonna give the camera angle with eyebrows. That's fascinating. That's where I wanted you guys to try, Sora, when you wanted to generate the more authentic pictures here. And you can try to simultaneously can generate a video on top of it, and you can remix it as well. So it's going to be achievable. So I want you guys try it out, and please paste your comments.